What's up, everybody? Matt of Trades here. So, making another backtesting video this time. It turns out my most popular video that I've uploaded so far is a backtesting video for a day trading strategy. I'm going to do a different day trading strategy this time. This one's actually very simple, and all the backtesting that I've done on it so far has been pretty promising. And just a disclaimer, not trading live. Well, the market is live right now, but we're not actually doing actual trading right now. And there is a little bit of what's the word? Maybe a little bias that I'm going to try my best to avoid. When you're back testing, the best thing you can do is to be brutally honest with it, because if you're not, it's going to be a problem for you later when you're actually trading real money. But the strategy is pretty simple. So this is TQQQ, a leveraged, basically the S&P 500 3 times leveraged. So basically what the market does, this is going to do by 3 times. So I liked back testing day trading strategies on this just because there's a lot of big moves really quick. So there's a lot of opportunities. But the strategy is very simple. You only need one indicator. I do have some stuff going on down here, but it's not relevant for this. I'm actually just going to make that a little smaller. So you go to your indicators. This is Trading View. Select Power X strategy. And basically what this does is it's going to show green bars. As you can see here, green bars if the MACD, RSI, and stochastic indicators are above the 50 level. Black if they're not all on one side, above or below 50. If it's not really doing anything, there's no signal if the bar is black. Red if the MACD, stochastic, and RSI are all below the 50 level. The idea is that the more indicators that are indicating a bias one way or the other, the higher the chance that it actually goes in that direction. Now, what we do, and again, this isn't perfect. The best way to do this would be to back test with live markets, but we don't have time for that. So we're not going to get a perfect back test here, but just to make sure that I haven't seen the chart ahead of time, I'm going to go ahead and scroll out. This is a 1-minute chart. I'm going to go ahead and scroll out, kind of go way back, wait for that to load. There it is. And let's see. All right, so the 7th. All right. All right, so I'm not familiar with the chart moving forward, so we're just going to kind of click through and click ahead. And I'm going to keep track of the trades on my calculator phone. And at the end, we'll kind of tally up what the overall profit or loss is. So the idea is you buy on a green bar and sell when it turns black. And if you're not familiar with these types of bars, so the left line right here, let's see, it's a good one here. So the left line is where the bars, where the price entered at the bar, and the bar on the right side is where it exited, and then the vertical line is the range. So, and just in case you didn't know, because these aren't the most common bars a lot of people use. So this is the 7th of, I believe, September. Now, the hard part about backtesting this is as the bar is moving up and down, as the price moves, the bar can change color at any time. So it's not 100% clear when you're backtesting like this when exactly it's going to turn green. So all we can do is just make our best guess. And then same thing when the bar turns black. So, and we're simplifying. We're simplifying as much as we can, but I still think it's very useful information. So first thing we see is a big green bar here. Just looking how there's a steep increase here. Bar probably turned green pretty close to the bottom here. So we're gonna go in right here, and we're gonna just click forward. And actually, I've found in my back testing that you're actually more profitable if you just take set your stop at 10 cents, or your take profit at 10 cents, and then just let it, and then just take profits. So that's what we're going to do here. So first trade, we won. So I'm going to add 0.1, and we're just going to do this for the rest of the day. So we're going to wait for the bar to turn black as we go forward. All right, so now we have a black bar here. I don't know if you can see that very well. So we're going to assume that we came in, well, it would be right there. So go right there. So now we're going short. So we're making money if it goes down. All right, it did not. So we're going to assume that we got out probably about right here. So minus 9 cents. Okay. Let's keep going. All right, so there's another sell signal here. So we're going to assume we went short about, we'll say right there. Okay. And looks like we would take profit at 10 cents. So that's another plus 10. Okay. Wait for another black. Now we're looking for another. Okay. Red bar. Let's say we got in about probably a little lower. Say right here. See where it goes. All right. Plus 10 cents profit. Okay. Now we're waiting for another black. Okay. Now another signal. All right. Got a big green bar here. Probably would have gotten a little bit higher on this one, I think. See where it goes. All right, so plus 10 cents. Okay. All right, here's the black bar. So we're looking for the next buy or sell signal, which is right here. Just super easy. Buy and sell signals. I don't think it gets any dumber than this. So let's assume that we get in about right here. And we're hoping it goes down. And we would take profit right there. So another 10 cents. All right. All right, now we have a buy signal here. So let's assume, came in right there. Let's assume that we're in about right here. And not quite, but we have a black. So this is a sell when we're in a position. Let's assume we sell at the price that we bought it for, so it's a wash, but we do have another buy signal at the next bar. So we're thinking probably right here. It turns black, so let's assume that we're out about right there. So that's a loss of 4 cents, minus 0.04. All right, now we have another big green bar. And again, this is why I like trading TQQQ, triple leverage, because you have a lot of opportunities. Let's say about right here. All right, take our 10 cents. Okay, wait for some more neutral black bars. Okay, let's find another signal. All right, big red bar. Let's say, so we're in right there. Let's say it has to be pretty low. So let's assume we get in right there. And immediately we're out. Let's say about 5 cents. Sorry, minus 0.05. And again, we're assuming a lot of things here, but I think for educational purposes, this is good. So we have another black bar. Let's say we get in pretty low, and then we got stopped out again. Let's say that's probably about a 2 cent loss. That's 2 cents. Okay. There's another red bar where we would have gone short. Let's say about right here, and then we say that's another 2 cent loss there since the trade didn't go in the direction we wanted. All right, there's another sell signal, so let's sell. Let's say we went in probably about right there, right at the bottom, and got stopped again right there. So another 1 cent loss. 0.01, not 0.101. Okay, let's move forward. All right, now another sell signal. So let's say we got in about right here. And this is a tough one, so we lost 7 cents there. Oh, one. There we go. What's going on with my calculator? There we go. Okay, moving forward, we have a buy signal now. Right, let's see right there. Boom. Okay, not quite there yet. All right, there we go. So that's plus 0.1, 10 cents. All right, now we got another buy signal. Probably about right there. And then we got stopped out. Probably a wash on that one. Okay, have a sell signal. Okay, and close. And I think we would probably get, let's call that one a wash. Okay, another sell signal. Okay. All right. Okay, that's 10 cents. So we take our 10 cents profit. 10 cents. All right. All right, looking for another signal. What you get right here, a buy signal. So we're in probably around right there, and let's see what happens. Okay. Went in our favor, so it's another 10 cents up. Okay, we got a sell signal. And again, we're just back testing. This is for educational purposes. And again, it's not a perfect way to do it. We're assuming a couple things here, but we're, again, going to kind of assume that we probably went in about right here. So we're hoping it goes down. It does not. We probably probably would sell, or buy back rather, about right there. So that's a loss of 4 cents. Minus 0.04. Okay. Buy signal. This one, I'm guessing on this particular bar, it probably turned green up here. So I'm going to say about right here's where we got in. Okay, not quite 10 cents. All right, so we actually probably would lose about 2 cents on that trade. Okay, all right, we got a sell signal, sell right there. And see, this is tough too, because this bar probably turned black up here. So let's say we lost 2 cents there. Even though, okay. All right, so we got a big red bar for sell signal, probably near the bottom. And that one we did get 10 cents. So overall, we're up 44 cents at this point. All right, we have a buy signal. Probably about near the bottom of that bar. And we take our 10 cents. One. Okay. All right, looking for, all right, got a sell signal. It's probably about right there actually. All right, that didn't go our way. Probably lost about 3 cents there. Minus 0.03. And we have a buy signal. Probably got in a little lower on that bar. Okay, take our 10 cents. Moving forward. And there's a sell signal. So we probably got in probably near the bottom of this one. Let's just put it right at the bottom. And, typically the tougher you are on yourself when you're back testing in this way, the better, because if you can be super tough on yourself when you're back testing, then when you're actually in a situation, it's going to be better. It's going to be better for you. All right, buy signal. Probably gone in about right there. Take our 10 cents. That's 0.1. Okay, moving forward. And we're just going to go until the next day. And again, this is a 1 minute chart. And let's probably assume here that we get in about right there, which we are going to get lost. Take a loss of probably about 3 cents. 0.03. All right, moving forward. And we have a buy signal. Right there. Let's say about that's where we get in. Now this is assuming that we get into the trade as soon as we see that bar turn red or green, and then kind of another issue with this, and this is worth noting, some of these black bars that we're just skipping over might have turned green or red for a second, then turned back black before that bar moved on to the next. So that's worth noting. But let's see what happens with this. And not quite, not quite. Not quite. All right, there we go. Take our 10 cents. Plus 0.1. Right there. Okay, now we have a sell signal. Right there. All right, we probably got about say about 4 cents. Lost 4 cents there. Okay, got a buy signal. Okay, and we're gonna lose probably about 4 cents again. 0.04. And we have a sell signal. Let's see, we probably got a sell signal right when this bar appeared right here. And we take our 10 cents profit. So overall, we're up 80 cents. And we have a buy signal. Probably about right there. And it goes down, let's say a loss of 6 cents. And a sell signal. And we probably lost about 3 cents there. Okay. All right, another big red bar. Let's see what happens here. Probably, I'm going to say we get in about right there. Let's see what happens. Okay. And that's actually the end of the day. So we'd close out before the end of the day, take about 5 cent profit there. So plus 0.05. Okay. Equals. Okay, so that is about 76 cents return on the day. Now, to do this type of trading, you have to have $25,000 in your portfolio. Be a pattern day trader, at least in most American brokers. So let's assume that we have $25,000, and let's also assume that we're trading on margin. So that's $50,000 of buying power. So let's assume that we're allocating, that we're probably like, see how many shares we can buy, assuming that the price is 30, which it's lower, so we can technically buy more, but for the sake of calculating a profit and being well within a range of possibility, let's assume 30 cents. All right, so 76 profit. All right, so unlock my phone again. So $50,000 divided by, or sorry, $30. Yeah, $50,000 divided by 30. That's 1,666 shares. And then we times that by our profit, which was 76 cents, which is $1,266. So again, this isn't perfect. This is assuming a lot of things, but even with a lot of assuming, I think it's safe to assume that at least we would make some profits, at least on this day. And I've done this back testing method on quite a few different days on the TQQQ, and it's been green every time, and not just green, but well within very green, very good days. If you could average well $1,000 a day trading, no reason why you can't do it as a career. Well, I hope you guys have found this video worth watching, educational. I mean, even if you don't do this strategy, I hope you found some value in this. Um, and again, I'm going to say this one more time. Lots of comments in the last video about how it's a weird way to back test, but I think when you're limited on time and you can't just sit in front of a computer and watch live markets and I guess paper trade, I think this is the best alternative. If there are any better ways, I am happy to see your suggestions in the comment section. And again, please like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.